Wrap and turn, a simple guide to a tricky knitting technique. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of knitting to unravel the mystery of the wrap and turn technique. This method is essential for creating shapes and curves in your knitting projects, and mastering it can open up a world of creative possibilities. So, let's get started. Wrap and turn is a method used in knitting to create short rows. A short row is a row in which you do not knit all the stitches on the needle, but stop partway through. The purpose of this technique is to shape your knitting, commonly used in heels of socks or shoulders of sweaters. When you reach the point where the pattern tells you to wrap and turn, you're essentially wrapping the yarn around a stitch to prevent a hole in your work and then turning your work to start a new row. 1. Knit to the specified stitch. Follow your pattern until you reach the stitch where you need to wrap and turn. 2. Bring the yarn to the front. If you're knitting, bring the yarn to the front as if to purl. 3. Slip the next stitch. Slip the next stitch purlwise from the left needle to the right needle. 4. Move the yarn back. Move the yarn to the back of the work, for knitting, or front, for purling. 5. Slip the stitch back. Slip the stitch you just moved back onto the left needle. 6. Turn your work. Turn the entire piece of knitting around, so the other side is facing you. 7. Continue knitting or purling. Resume knitting or purling as per your pattern. Not wrapping tightly enough. Ensure the wrap is snug but not too tight, as it can distort the stitch. Forgetting the wrap. Missing a wrap can create holes in your work, so keep track of your wraps. Picking up wraps. When you encounter a wrapped stitch in a later row, knit or purl it together with its wrap to create a smooth finish. And that's all there is to the wrap and turn technique. With a bit of practice, you'll find it a valuable tool in your knitting arsenal. Remember, knitting is a journey, and each skill you master adds to your creative expression. Happy knitting, and I hope this video has been helpful in demystifying the wrap and turn technique.